So today, guys, we're gonna continue mapping on the course. Well, we got distracted by tacos. Again. What's up, guys? Day 2 pre-running Baja San Felipe 250. We're about ready to go right now, but first we got to get some burritos from the burrito lady.
Breakfast burritos.
All right. Yeah, well, this is a great way to start the day, guys. We're gonna head up and go grab some supplies, make sure everything's dialed in. Gonna definitely be taking Evan's spare tire today because we're doing a big leg of the course. Where are we going today?
So yesterday we ran about to race mile 70. That's up on Highway 3 right there, a section called San Matias.
Notorious.
Oh yeah. There's a lot of good videos. There was that one from Perry McNeil a while ago where he lost the trailing arm bolt. That was through that section.
That was through that section.
That was through that section.
Oh
yeah.
my gosh.
We are gonna go up to about race mile 70. We're gonna jump on the course right there from the highway. We got a couple of other, rough sections, but we should be getting some good lake bed stuff. I think about to race mile 100, we're just gonna be kind of like zipping around the lake bed there. So it's gonna be a bunch of, just sand whoops. We're kind of like on the edge of the lake bed.
So hopefully no silt.
Oh, we might see some silt. The silt up north is definitely not as bad as the silt down south. This next section, it's gonna be pretty flat. When we get down, we're running Matomi Wash. So when we get into Matomi, there will be some cool canyons and elevation change. Hopefully you guys will be there for Matomi.
Yeah, so how far do you think we're gonna go today?
As far as we can.
Let's get it, dudes. Let's go. So today, guys, we're gonna continue mapping on the course. And then hopefully tomorrow, we're actually gonna try to get some like open trail friendly kind of stuff, like not necessarily race course stuff, just like exploring and cool destination points. So we're quickly approaching the 70-mile mark right now on the course. We're gonna do our best to keep up with Roy. Well then.
All right, so we went through another large whoop section right now. There's 4 fastnesses in this thing. It's way down, and we just added 80 more pounds with this spare tire. So Roy's gonna give her a few more turns in the bypasses in the rear because she's loaded down as pretty much as she'll ever be loaded down. So thanks, Roy.
So let's say the shock changes have been great.
Yeah.
This thing's pretty damn fast, dude. A little too fast.
Yeah.
A little too fast, Devin.
Hard brake. Power to the turn. Wife's gonna be mad.
He on X Games mode.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
lake bed flying, and a trophy truck just passed us.
Yeah.
A little bit of silt right here, nothing crazy, but we're like literally floating on top of it. So Evan's doing a lot of like counter steering. We'll mark this in the map, this big dry lake bed right here for you guys to check out. It's pretty sick. This is good for all vehicles to come through. So outside of the lake bed for about 20 miles was just hell whoops. Satan made them. Got out of it and now we're like went alongside kind of like a private cattle range area. Awesome freaking section. It was like perfect for like a nice mid-travel pre-runner. We're now like on some like wide open, typical kind of Baja roads. Hey guys, so we got off the race course at about 1:35, 1:30-ish, right? Yeah. So we're heading into town right now. We got to get some gas. We're gonna try to meet up with the guys around 165, 170. All right, guys. Well, we got distracted by tacos.
Again.
No. Yeah, sorry. We have about an hour and a half left of daylight. We heard that there's this place called Valle de los Gigantes. I think it's like a giant cactus place. We're gonna actually try to find a cool road to get there. It's 11 miles away. Hopefully there's a cool access road we could find to whip it and go freaking track it on the app right now. And then we'll see how much daylight we have there and see if we could find something for Evan to jump. We're gonna try to make him jump. We'll see what happens.
Look at that, beautiful Sea of Cortez. Doing adventure stuff with Onyx off-road.
So guys, we're actually taking the back way to Valle de los Gigantes. It's pretty epic, dude. Section, dude.
That was perfect.
Perfect for like a mid-travel truck,
yeah,
like a standard pre-runner.
Sandy whoops, I got up to like 70 one of those passes.
Bummed we didn't get back on the race course, but these trails over here, south of the airport that we're mapping for you guys, it reminds me of like the dunes alongside Gecko Road in Glamis. Even like some Superstition style stuff. Super rad, lots of fun. Man, you guys got to get out here and check this out, man. If you guys do download the app, you guys can actually get 20% off if you guys use our code. So we'll put that right here. Freaking sick, dude. Absolutely dope for side-by-sides, pre-runners, everything, man. So we did not find the giant cactus, but we did find a booter that everybody's gonna love. We're gonna mark this, and we found a sick-ass step-off. So worth it. All right, guys, so I don't know what episode this was because we're gonna see what Nick, how he's gonna chop it up. Ben, thank you for filming with us, man. We didn't get into the cactus park place, but we did find that big cactus. It was pretty sick, and we found some booters. We found some rad trails. You know what? The race course is awesome, but it is a race course. San Felipe makes Barstow not that bad, to be honest with you. Barstow is hell on earth, but this is, wow, mind blown, right, guys? What do you guys think?
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah. Makes Plaster, Barstow look like.
I mean, it's just, those are very rough places, but this place, for as many miles of whoops that we've seen, is just, it's out of control. So we actually had more fun, can I say it? Pretty much, right?
Yeah.
We probably had more fun ripping the Forerunner on these trails more than anything. We got some exploring to do tomorrow.
We're gonna keep going down this trail. It hits the highway here in a little bit, and then we're gonna head back to camp, regroup, and figure out what we're gonna try and discover and map out for you guys tomorrow. But yeah, look at this cactus guy.
Dude, look at it. It's humongous. What the hell, dude? Thank you guys, later.
Whoa. Wow.